Hey everyone, welcome back. If mobile check deposit is not working in the TD Bank app, it's usually due to camera or account issues. First of all, make sure the TD Bank app has permission to use your phone's camera. Head over to your settings and then search for apps. Then go to the TD Bank US app and make sure that you have given permission to the camera settings. After that, check that the check is properly endorsed and readable. To clear to fix the blurriness of your camera, swipe your phone's camera with the soft cloth or a tissue paper so you won't scratch the camera and make the matters worse. Then ensure you're connected to a stable internet connection so your app operates smoothly and your check goes through smoothly. After that, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the TD Bank app and then swipe it away, then reopen it before sending the or trying the deposit again. If the issues continue, head over to your app store, search for the TD Bank app and update the app or reinstall it to reset deposit features. After fixing these issues, you should be able to deposit successfully, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.